Hi, we are Team Koala, and here are our teammates Wei Yan, Peng Qiong, and I am Ya Qian. Our motivation to develop the dashboard since order for delivery becomes important for people who do not have time, and especially during a pandemic. People prefer to stay at home to stay safe, which increases the demand. Users need a dashboard to conveniently search food, place an order, and check order status. So this dashboard provides a feasible and convenient service for those who need to order food based on their zip code, cuisine type, and restaurant name. The bot can add, adjust, drop down the menu, and add dishes. So administrator can add data to the database, and there are 3 commands to write the data to MongoDB. And for users, they can use commands to filter like restaurants by zip code and cuisine type, and also get the restaurant and the customer by name from MongoDB. After users select a specific restaurant, they can select the dish, add dish, place order, and cancel it. This is a more user-friendly to select a dish because there is a drop-down menu for user to select all commands. Next, I will hand it to my teammates, Peng Qiong, to talk about the database schema.
Thanks, Ya Qian. So this is our data schema. Our database include 4 direct collections: restaurant, order, dish, customers. So let me give an example of the table. For restaurants table, it includes some key attributes of restaurant, such as restaurant's name, cuisine type, operating hours, averaging cost per guest, address, zip code, and phone number. So let me demo some commands, especially how to select a restaurant using our bot. So after open our bot, it will pop up the welcome message. The welcome message provides some instructions for users how to use those commands. For the first column, those commands are for users. For the second column, those commands are for administrators to input the data into database. Let me demo how to select a restaurant. For example, if I want to find a restaurant in my neighborhood, I can select restaurants by zip code. Our bot will pump up a list of restaurants in my neighborhood. If I want to narrow down some specific cuisine type, I can narrow down the restaurants by cuisine type and zip code. For example, the cuisine type could be Chinese. And in this example, the list of the restaurants are narrowed down to 3 restaurants, just include 3 restaurants. And okay, so based on the list of this narrowed down list, I can select specific restaurant. Shanghai. And all bot will pump out the detailed information of that restaurant. And those detailed informations including address, phone number, and operating hours. After we have an idea of which restaurants I want to order a dish, the customers can order dishes. And so with that, let me pass to my teammates Wei Yan to introduce how to use our bot to order dish.
Thanks, Pengchong. Now you should be able to have a restaurant in mind from where you want a dish, you want to order a dish. So how can you have a look at the menu of the restaurant? Let's say you want to check the menu of the restaurant Yum, and then you can use get menu of restaurant. And then the bot will give you a drop-down list, and then it tells you to pick your dish from Yum's menu. And also be careful, you only have 1 minute to add it a shopping cart. After 1 minute, this drop-down list will disappear, so you won't be able to add the shopping cart again. And also you can only add one dish at a time, but you can add multiple dishes. So let's say the drop-down list, you can see it include the dish name, the price, and also a description of it. Let's say we want to order pad thai, and then the bot will pop up another window and showing my cart information. Now you can see there's one pad thai in my shopping cart, and the total price is $11.99. I can either hit the confirm button or cancel button. Yeah, so you have to move fast before the drop-down list disappears. Now, what if I still want to add more dish? So I have to cancel this. So now my shopping cart is empty now. And then I will do it one more time. And then I will move fast this time. So I add one pad thai. And also I want to have one papaya salad. And then now you can see I have one pad thai and one papaya salad. And then now I want to confirm this order. So the bot tells you you've placed an order and the order number is 19 and total expense is $24.98. You want to remember this order number because you can use it to check order status. So we input this order number, and then the bot tells you your order hasn't been delivered yet. So let's see, what if you don't want to click a dish one by one, right? It's kind of slow, right? We also provide you an alternative option, which is this command, add dish to cart. If you input the restaurant name, let's say Yum, and dish name is pad thai, and I want to order 10 of it. So now you can see 10 pad thai from Yum has been added to cart. And then how to place an order in this way. There is a place order button here. Oh, no, place order command. And then just hit enter. So now you've placed an order and your order number is 20. Remember that earlier, our order number hasn't been delivered yet, 19. How about now? So let's check one more time. Check order status, 19. And now your order has been delivered because I set the delivery time to 1 minute. It's just for presentation. Okay, so I think that's pretty much what we want to demo for our bot. So through this project, we have a lot of feeling. These are the three most important ones we want to share with you. And first and foremost, we think that collaboration and communication is super important because a team cannot pursue a goal or solve a problem together without exchanging idea. And secondly, you have to really think clearly before you start to code. You never want to retrofit or refactor your code when you are already halfway of the project, right? So it is definitely worth spending a good amount of time in the beginning on designing workflow and database schema. And third, weekly stand-up is definitely helpful to keep everyone on the same page. You can also receive some valuable comments and suggestions from other teammates. And finally, thank you all for taking the time watching our demo. And we would like to extend our special thanks to Alex for always being very responsive to answer our questions. And also to our TA, Minghao, for helping us stay on track to finish our project. Thank you.